Understanding the panic button, a guide to the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, the panic button. This phrase is not only interesting but also widely used in various contexts. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and usage together. The term panic button refers to a metaphorical button that is pressed in situations of extreme anxiety or stress. Originally, a panic button is a real button found in security systems, used to trigger an alarm during emergencies. In everyday language, however, hitting the panic button means reacting with sudden fear or anxiety to a situation, often leading to hasty or irrational actions. The phrase, panic button, likely originated from the actual buttons used in alarm systems, dating back to the early 20th century. These were installed in banks, stores, and even homes as a quick way to alert authorities during a crisis. Over time, this literal use evolved into a figurative expression, symbolizing a knee-jerk reaction to stress or danger. To better understand the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. When the stock market dropped suddenly, many investors hit the panic button and sold their shares. 2. There's no need to hit the panic button every time you make a small mistake. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe overreacting or responding hastily to stressful situations. Incorporating panic button into your vocabulary can be quite easy. Remember, it's best used in situations where there's an overreaction or excessive worry. For example, let's not hit the panic button yet, we can solve this issue calmly. I almost hit the panic button when I couldn't find my passport, but then I remembered I had kept it in a different bag. And that's a wrap on the panic button. Remember, this phrase is a colorful way to describe an overreaction to a stressful situation. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. See you in our next lesson.